magazine's empowerment issue. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so we're going to show you a few recipes to help you power your mornings. First up is a super green smoothie bowl. For this, you will need some frozen banana, frozen pineapple, some spinach leaves, some blueberries, and a little bit of almond milk to blend. Pour your smoothie into a bowl and decorate with whatever you like. I've chosen some cashews, almonds, blueberries, and strawberries. The next recipe we're going to show you is a super stack. For this you will need 2 separate bowls of yogurt and 2 different colours of food colouring, some strawberries, blueberries, and some muesli. Now that we've done that, you can either grab yourself a cup or a jar and you can begin stacking. Powering your morning with food is as simple as that. So get cooking, and when you do, make sure you send us your photos and videos.